What's up, it's your boy Noodle Nick, and today we're back with Tozo. We got the Golden X1. I've been on the search for a good pair of headphones or earbuds around $100, and I'd like to see if these ones are worth the shot. Pretty reliable brand. I have one other pair of headphones from them that are really good. They got really impressive specs, so I'd love to try them out. They got high-res audio, LDAC, IPX6 waterproof, and they have extremely good active noise cancellation. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open up the box and see what we got to work with. Boom. Uh-oh. Designed by Tozo in California. Boom. Oh, that's... Oh my god, it's sliding everywhere. Look at that. Look at that. That's clean. It's got a little egg case. Let's go. We got a quick start guide and a user manual. We got a bunch of extra earbuds in here of various sizes. That's extra fancy. Love that they include that. Not everybody's ear size is the same. We got a Type A to Type C charging cable. A little Tozo brand on it. That's cute. We got the charging case with a little bit of gold. Look at that. I like that. And then there's the Type C on the back, so you can charge them both at the same time. It's at 95%. Nice. Thanks for charging it, Mr. Tozo. I appreciate you. And then here are the buds themselves. It's interesting they don't come in the charging case. I wonder why that is. You can see a little bit of gold in there. Look at that. That's nice. And then you have your little magnets so that it can go into the case nice and easy. Got a couple of microphone holes in there. And just that beautiful golden Tozo logo. I love that. So I want to throw one of these on, probably like a medium one. I'll show you a quick tip on that. It's easier if you just turn it all the way inside out and then put your finger in there and then just kind of push on and boom, there you go. Now it's on there. And then fold that in. Boom, now you got a medium size one on there. All right. And now that I did that one, I guess I have to do the other one. Now we're ready for music. So Tozo logo kind of goes towards you, and boom, that's in there. And the magnet's strong enough. Seems like they're not going to fall out. Cool. All right, so we got a little indicator light there. We have our battery percentage here. It shows that the earbuds are charging, 92, and these are flashing too, so that's nice. All right, there's your Tozo Golden X1s, baby. Those things are clean. Okay, so it's got a hybrid dynamic driver and a balanced armature driver, and they're 12 millimeter dynamic drivers, so pretty decent size. It's got high-res audio. It's capable of reproducing treble up to 44.1 kilohertz, which is higher than the 21 kilohertz that humans can hear. And the customized 12 millimeter dynamic drivers can deliver 12 hertz of bass, which is pretty impressive for earbuds. It's got LDAC HD audio, and that can stream 24-bit 96 kilohertz music, also known as high-resolution music. So if you listen to like Spotify in lossless or something like that, like really high quality music, you turn your sound settings up high, audiophile type shit, then you can get that. The LDAC is for people like that. The LDAC can also do that at transmission speeds of 990 kilobit per second, which is about 4 times faster than traditional Bluetooth speeds. Okay, it's got environmental and active noise cancellation. It's got 6 microphones to help facilitate this process, and you can block up to 42 decibels of sound. The digital display is LED. It's got Bluetooth 5.3 technology, and last but not least, it's ergonomic design, and it's got long distance connection. It's got super RF signal and 15 millisecond connection distance. So overall, very impressive headphones. Tozo pulled it off for $99.99 right now on sale. I would say, you know, without using them yet, just like first impression, not bad for $100. I've seen way worse headphones for $100. Okay, so we have the music playing. Yeah, I can't hear anything from my right ear right now. As soon as you put it, whoa, I can hear my voice being played back to me like in a speaker in my head. What's happening? It's like replaying my music into my... Is that what I sound like? Oh god. Okay, so yeah, it's like recreating. I don't know what it's doing. That's interesting. Okay, I don't hear it anymore. I must have stopped it. I guess you could just do it. Is it back on? Okay. Wow, the bass is really good. Yep, I can hear my voice again. That bass is vibrating my whole brain right now. Okay. Wow, this is such an interesting experience. I feel like I'm on the first NASA mission, and that's what it sounds like right now. A landing Apollo 1 right now. T-8, 7, 6. That's what I sound like right now. That's interesting. those are pretty nice. The bass is just incredible. The active noise cancellation is very strong, and like it just kind of playing your voice back through a mic is definitely interesting. But you can hear everything. I could hear the music and my voice back clearly, even though like it was blocking all sound. Very nice. So I just want to kind of point them down and see if maybe you guys can hear them a little bit. But dude, no, that bass is incredible. You can't deny LDAC. You can't deny that 12 hertz of bass. It's very nice. Definitely better than AirPods, bruh. Say, you know what? Come for me in the comments, but. Okay, well, you guys get the idea. Those are the Tozo X1, Golden X1. Highly recommend Tozo as a brand. Tozo Golden X1. They're really nice earbuds. Definitely scratches that itch for any, you know, audio fans out there that like the high specs, high quality, good Bluetooth connection. You know, active noise cancellation up to 42 decibels. There's just quick connection. Tozo app, nice and easy to use. Nice and easy to like pair it to your phone through Bluetooth, like really fast. It's got the little power level indicator there, which I really appreciate. That's another thing that, you know, Apple's kind of slacking on, that I appreciate brands like Tozo taking care of us. And I just really love the branding. Everything about it just screams high class, fancy. I love the color gold. I think it accents it well here. They have two other colors besides this. They also have champagne, which I thought looked really cool. So click the link in the description, check it out, see if it's within your means, or maybe a nice Christmas gift for the family, something like that. Anyways, hope to see you in the next tech review, headphone review, whatever. Thanks Tozo for sending these. I don't know what else to say. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend these bad boys. I don't have a single complaint about them. Love Tozo, and that's all I gotta say. Definitely check out the Golden X1 by Tozo. See you in the next tech review. Peace.